I'm excited to share with you today one of our collections for 2019, a Christmas kitchen. With the design of today's contemporary family home, including an open plan living space with the kitchen included as part of it, we really wanted to inspire some decorations within your kitchen. We designed a Christmas kitchen with the warmth of a welcoming Christmas host or hostess in mind. We've combined playful Christmas baking decorations with cute appliquéd stockings. And we've done this with a traditional colour palette of red and green. And then added touches of burlap for a warm, rustic, homemade feel. One of the ways that we have tied our decorating together in a Christmas kitchen is by using a candy cane stripe. Now on the tree, we've used the ribbon to pinch the velvet wired garland which runs down the tree. And then we've put little bunches of pomegranates. This looks fantastic with our twisted stem and also the curly ribbon. As part of our Christmas kitchen collection, we've got a beautiful set of 4 cookie cutter Christmas decorations that are made out of polymer clay. We've also got Mr. and Mrs. Claus and this gorgeous candy cane with a touch of holly. And to finish off our tree, we've got a set of 4 light up baubles. They change colours and they've also got some really cute Christmas designs on them. One of them says, "Dashing through the dough," and the other, "Baking spirits bright." We all love a colourful Christmas stocking, and the range that we've designed for a Christmas kitchen is sure to be very popular. The detail and the appliqué is amazing. There are 4 designs in this range: a boy and girl gingerbread, of course Santa, and one of his helpers, this really cute elf. We've incorporated the candy cane stripe into our Santa sack. This pair of Santa sacks are hand embroidered and have a lovely traditional message on them. Now don't forget, all of our Santa sacks can be personalised with the name of your choice. And the same goes with our personalised Christmas stocking. We've got 2 options for stocking holders. We've got a set of 4 that come as a train and also some light up ones. Christmas light up ornaments are always very popular. We've incorporated a few new ones in a Christmas kitchen, including a beautiful grandfather clock, this gorgeous candy striped teapot, as well as Santa driving his truck and his car. Another really popular ornament are the nutcrackers. They have a very long tradition at Christmas time, and you can put these anywhere around your home. You can also see that we've got the choristers sitting in a sleigh under the lamppost, some really cute Christmas birds, and of course the gingerbread snow dome. As we move around the kitchen, you can see Mr. and Mrs. Claus baking gingerbreads, getting ready for Christmas Day. And just look at this gorgeous decorative chopping board we've created. We've combined our customary free Christmas download with our Make and Create project that we feature in all our collections. You'll find links to these below. We've dressed the kitchen cupboards with 4 small berry and apple wreaths and used candy cane ribbon to hang them from the doors. Above the range hood, we have a huge mixed leaf wreath with a personalised plaque, and the matching garland hangs above the hutch. Well, that's the end of our Christmas kitchen tour. We hope we've inspired you and that you've picked up some great ideas about how to decorate your kitchen this Christmas. Don't forget to check out the free downloadable poster and details of our Make and Create project in the links below. We've also linked all our social media platforms because we'd love you to stay in touch and share with us just how you decorate your home this Christmas.